Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another Plan With Me video. We are in April. I can't believe it. I have been doing these videos for like 6 or 7 months now, and every time it's time for me to film a new one, I am like in shock that it's time to do this again and figure our schedule out and make sure we know kind of who's going where. We are a family of 5, so we have 3 different kids in 3 different schools. So once this school year hit, I got this beautiful calendar right behind me here, and now it's a lot easier because the kids are finally going back to school. So next week it will be the entire week. They're in 5 days. My little one, she still is in preschool, so she goes from just like the morning of every day, but the other 2 will be in school full time, so it's a lot less to keep track of. But sports are starting up, baseball starting up, soccer starting up, t-ball, you name it, lacrosse, it's all starting. So we need to get ourselves organized, and I'm also just gonna do some basic cleaning. We just have a little bit of tidying to do. We always have some laundry to do. We have laundry in the dryer right now. I need to like clean up the counters. I need to clean up the living room. I just got an Amazon package. We're just gonna do some general picking up. So I hope you guys enjoy these videos, and if you do, make sure you subscribe, and let's get started.
How did we end up here in the corner looking like enemies? We used to be the team people talk about, what a chemistry. I can see it in your eyes. You don't wanna talk anymore. I wanna get so numb while we enemies. No, you don't mind the way I stutter my words. You know exactly what it means and how it hurts. Oh, I can't believe you're here. Can't get any worse. No. I just wanna get out of here. I find it so hard to breathe, 'cause when you get too close, I lose my way and I freeze. I wish you knew what power you have over me, but now it's so hard to breathe. Just get me out of here. Just get me out of here. Just get me out of. How can you be so calm around me when I act desperately? You used to be the one getting crazy when I'd be hard to reach. I can see it in your eyes. You don't wanna talk anymore. I wanna get so numb while we enemies. No, you don't mind the way I stutter my words. You know exactly what it means and how it hurts. Oh, I can't believe you're here. Can't get any worse. No. I just wanna get out of here. I find it so hard to breathe, 'cause when you get too close, I lose my way and I freeze. I wish you knew what power you have over me, but now it's so hard to breathe. Just get me out of here. Just get me out of here. I just wanna get out of here. I find it so your number, I would let you know how I feel. You walk up to me, start dancing to the music and the chase, like this was meant to be. Take my hand, I feel my heart beat, and I don't want this moment to stop. Time to go home, don't want this night to end. Yeah, about time we stop pretending. Come home with me, let's write a history. Tonight I'll make you see. It's all about us, it's all about us. As we're dancing close together, making out. It's all about us, it's all about us. There's a magic in your eyes, can't get enough. Feel your hands, the way you're touching me around my neck. Got chills down my back, you do it right. The way you're holding me, no, I don't want this moment to stop. No need to fight it, I cannot hide it. We won't regret it, so come with me, maybe we're meant to be. A perfect melody, and I don't want this moment to stop. Time to go home, don't want this night to end. Yeah, about time we stop pretending. Come home with me, let's write a history. Tonight I'll make you see. It's all about us, it's all about us, it's all about us. As we're dancing close together, making out, making out. It's all about us, it's all about us. There's a magic in your eyes, can't get enough. I can't get enough. It's all about us, it's all about us. It's all about us, it's all about us. Time to go home, don't want this night to end. Yeah, about time we stop pretending. Come home with me, let's write a history. Tonight I'll make you see. It's all about us, it's all about us. As we're dancing close together, making out. It's all about us, it's
I've been feeling so small. Watch the clock ticking off the wall. But tonight I'm letting it go. Spend my coin for sure. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out, so try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars, I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, no, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars, I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me, no, no, nothing can break me. Look at those beautiful stars, I wanna drive a faster car. Lay my troubles to rest, blow the smoke through my cigarette. City lights looking fine, and I know this is my time now. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out, so try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars, I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, no, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at drive a faster car. I'm gonna be myself. I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna be myself. I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna skip my breaks. I'm gonna make mistakes. I'm gonna skip.
All right, well, that is it for this plan in Clean With Me. Like I said, usually I will do either some sort of cleaning motivation, or I'll do an organizing project or something like that. But on this day, I just needed to get some basic cleaning done around the house. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. Make sure you are all planned out for the month of April. I also use a regular planner that I have everything written down. I actually went through it the other day, and that's how I kind of got everything up on the main family planner. But I do use the Jordan Page productivity planner, and it has the monthly and daily on there, so I use that as well with that. And also sometimes on my phone, my husband will put certain things in there, so I just look at the calendar while all those calendars while I'm doing the family calendar. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, I hope you consider subscribing, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!